Hello, this is Doug Marshall with SkipperBud's in Grand Haven, Michigan. Today we're looking at a 2024 Aviara AV40. This is a beautiful boat filled with thoughtful design and luxury amenities. I think you'll see that this boat is clearly built for entertaining with plenty of space for family and friends. Let's take a look. Hello again, this is Doug Marshall with SkipperBud's. Thanks for watching. If you like this boat, please contact me at area code 847-226-5213 for a showing at our Grand Haven SkipperBud's location. This boat, along with many others, can be seen at skipperbuds.com. Thanks again for watching, and make it a great day on the water.